Maybe I'm a bird.
Hey guys, welcome back for another motivational cleaning video. Today I figured we would jump right on in because as a working mom, I don't know about you, but the last thing I want to do after a long day is spend hours cleaning up my house. So today I'm going to be focused on two areas, Riley's playroom as well as my kitchen. So we are going to be doing a quick nighttime tidy up. So I hope this video gives you the motivation to tackle a few things on your to-do list.
Love me like a stranger, like a melody, flowing wild and free. Love me like a stranger, let it be unique, run away with me. Love me like a, love me like a, love me like a, love me like a stranger. Maybe you're a bird.
If this is your first time here, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. My name is Nia and I'm a working mom who shares real life, everyday messes. So on my channel, I post tons of cleaning and organizational videos along with quick and easy recipes for busy moms. My hope is to inspire and motivate you to tackle anything on your to-do list, whether that's getting your home in order or trying to figure out what's for dinner. So if you enjoy content like this, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you. And also make sure to introduce yourself in the comments so I can personally say hi.
Like a melody, flowing wild and free. Love me like a stranger, let it be unique, run away with me. Love me like a, love me like a, love me like a, love me like a stranger. Tell me, why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby.
I wish I could say I was one of those people who literally will never go to bed without having a clean kitchen. The reality is sometimes I am so exhausted and tired that if there's a couple of dishes in my sink, I just let it go, to be honest. Of course, the next day I do typically regret it, but I do my best and I kind of just go with the flow. Most of the time I do like to clean up the kitchen, at least get the dishes in the dishwasher, at least wipe down the countertops, but I'm not even going to lie, it's not something that I have to do in order to go to sleep.
Go and drive me so crazy. Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long. Tell me, baby, now I'm feeling lost crazy. Now feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long. On the run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my.
I would love to know what your summer plans were for this year, whether you guys are still planning on going maybe near the end of the year, or if it was something you had to postpone or cancel. For me, it was my sister's wedding and her bridal shower, and of course her bachelorette party. Unfortunately, with everything that's going on, she had to postpone it. So I think she is actually going to get married next year and celebrate.
Between the jars and bottle jack, just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. In the heat from a hot California, I forgot how you look like in rain. That's why I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. All the memories just lingers on repeat like it is never gonna stop. I can't help myself from feeling all alone, but you got me good, oh you got me good. Let me level with you, let me be in your crew. I just wanna be free, be with people like me. I'm so not in the mood to be broken and blue. I just wanna go dance, baby find me some romance. I don't wanna talk tonight, I don't wanna waste another night. I just wanna hit the floor, maybe somewhere I haven't been before. I don't wanna kill the vibe, I don't wanna feel it if it don't feel right. I just wanna break the ice. There's so much more to life than tears. There's so much more to life than fears. All I want is a night off, all I need is a night off. All I want is a night off. Ooh. Take it away, take it away, go dance, maybe find us some romance. I don't wanna talk tonight, I don't wanna waste another night. I just wanna hit the floor, maybe somewhere I haven't